And thank you for calling the program. You know, there's a couple of questions that I get asked on my radio show all the time, and it's all about rabbit and squirrel control. And it's as if that these things can pole vault over your fence, even if you have a fortress built around your house. Well, they actually dig under, and they'll get in there and they'll devastate everything. Imagine for a second going to your favorite restaurant and they give you a big bowl of salad. Well, your yard and garden is a big bowl of salad, and you want to make sure that that salad is horrible tasting, unlike your restaurant. So what do? You get some Bob-X R animal repellent. They have a ready to use and a concentrate. And what it does is that once it's sprayed on the plants, by the way, for squirrels and rabbits, you don't have to go very far off the ground. It gives a horrible scent that they don't like, and they're gonna skedaddle. Even if they taste it, oh my goodness, they're just gonna run away. And the best part is, it works on a whole bunch of other animals as well. Gotta get back to the calls. Hey, thanks for calling. What's on your gardening mind?